We're standing in front of the legendary iconic dollhouse. It's under full construction right now because of new ownership. They gave us the keys. Come on in. For a dollhouse, you can see it's looking totally different. There used to be the circular stage in the middle. They've ripped everything out and they're going to build a new brand new stage with 2 catwalk entrances. They're also working on the upstairs to put in a VIP area, got rid of the old pool tables, redid the backdrop, pushed the seats back for better viewing. So we're told it should be opening up in mid to late January. They follow me to walk through. The old bar's coming out. They're going to put a whole new bar setup in here. You might remember there used to be a door to Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace is now open again, but there's no door going through anymore. Different ownership. This is where the new DJ booth will be. So I can't wait to come back here when it's done and shoot a video for single recording. Thanks for joining us on checking out the new dollhouse construction.